The ladder of yoga. There are people who have not been able to serve their preceptors, who have not done any selfless service or any devotional practices, who have not had the heart to treat other children with the affection they show to their own, who may not have had the heart to help others who were in severe distress, and yet they sit and speak high philosophy. They sit and speak of cosmic love, of cosmic vision, and of their own spiritual experiences and realization, Brahmajnana. They repeat the mantra Shivoham, Shivoham, I am Shiva, or the mantra Aham Brahmasmi, I am the infinite, every few minutes. They wish to be in contact with great avatars, incarnation of God, this very second. Let us place our foot step by step, very cautiously, on the different rungs of the ladder of yoga. Ascend very gradually to the summit. Be earnest in the sadhana, practice. Equip the self with the necessary qualifications. Do not waste the time in search of a preceptor. When we are ready, we will enter the halls of wisdom, and there, waiting on the threshold, we will find our preceptor. Sage Vasishta says, I assure you on the authority of my own intuitional knowledge, as well as that of other illumined souls, that the reality can be realized by man, but one who has known it cannot communicate it to others for want of means. Even the knowledge acquired by the five senses, which are common to all, cannot be communicated to others. We cannot tell the taste of butter to a man who has never tasted it, nor can we communicate the idea of color to a man born blind. All that a teacher can do is to tell his disciple the method of knowing the truth. All he can do is to tell the disciple of the path that leads to the unfoldment of the intuitional faculty. If we have a burning desire, like Lord Buddha, if we possess patience and forgiveness, and if we have devotion to the preceptor, then we can contact avatars and sages right now, this very second.
Oh.